Hello everybody of YouTube. Today I decided to give you guys a quick demonstration on how a component-based stereo system works. Today for my audio storage place I brought out my Pioneer SX303R stereo receiver. Keep in mind this is not the same system as my main rig over here that you see me talking most about. This is my main system, nothing has changed here, but I just brought this out to give you a quick demonstration of how a component stereo system works. And I have my JVC cassette deck. I don't think I've mentioned this yet. I got this at Goodwill for a few dollars. It's missing a couple knobs, but it works. So I got my cassette deck and the Pioneer receiver here. So we're going to give you a demonstration of how the system actually functions. So how, exactly the components work and all that. So let's go ahead and hit play on the deck here, and we'll show you. So here we go. Turn up the volume a bit. Yeah, so that's a pretty good demonstration of this amplifier. It's a pretty powerful little amplifier for such a size. There's the output transistors are underneath this vent. So pretty nice little receiver for testing purposes. So how a component system actually works, well, I'm going to move this table out of the way so we can see behind it. Because that's the main purpose of this video, is to show you exactly how it works. So let me just get around to the back here. And I know this is kind of a sloppy job done here. I just did this to throw this together just for a quick video, so it's not the best wiring organization, I guess you could say. But you have your two speakers here, your positive and negative speaker leads on both of them. And they go into the speaker connections on the stereo receiver. As you can see, they go into positive, negative, just like this. There's your connections to the receiver. And there actually is the data plate there for the receiver. Don't know how well you can see it. AC 120 volts, 60 Hz, 200 watts. So yeah, so now how the actual components are wired, I have it simply wired into the line input here for tape. I have in for record, out, playback. So in, out, and these wires, if we follow the wires, they go into the to the receiver here. So on the receiver, we have it hooked into tape 2, which is basically the line input here. So we have record and play. So that's basically how they're wired. You just have your line source, because the source is generated in the cassette deck. It outputs it through the cable, input to the amplifier or receiver. The amplifier amplifies the signal, sends it out your speaker wire into your speakers, and plays sound. So that's basically how that works. And while we're at it, I ought to test that auxiliary outlet to make sure it works. So I got my receptacle tester here, and I'm going to go ahead and stick it in there and see if it lights up. Let's see. Yep, so that outlet does work. We have 120 volts present. I have one more to test right here too. This is the switched one. Yep, and that one also works. So just decided to do a quick test on that while I'm here, because I never tested those yet. Because I don't really use those, to be honest. So that's basically how the receiver works. You have other inputs here for phono, for your phonograph, CD, LD. I actually don't know what LD is, so if anyone could clarify that, please let me know. You have another tape input here, or VCR, and you have your tape 2 monitor. Now, on the receiver, if you go to the front, let me put this table back here. Just bear with me here. Let me see if I can move this table back to where it was. I'm having a little struggle here. So hang on a moment. Okay, that's good enough, I guess. Now on the receiver, you have input selectors. For your tape 1, tape 2 monitor, phono, tuner, LD, CD. And right now on the receiver, it's on tape 1, as you can see. So therefore, it plays when you crank the volume up. as you can see right there, because the tape deck is putting out a signal by the VU meters there. So we'll stop this, and so that's basically all I really have to say. That pretty much sums up how a component system works. I just wanted to give you a very basic tutorial on how it works with a cassette deck, a very common item back in the 1980s. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. Pretty soon I'm going to be uploading some more music off my main stereo system right here. I'm going to be talking about a couple other electrical things I got on my bench over here. I'll probably make a few more videos about other random stuff in the future, maybe fire alarms, who knows. So just stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.